Today, I'm delighted to announce a further €50 million in commitments from the Shared Island Fund for new investment and cooperation, taken forward by our departments and agencies on a cooperative partnership basis with Northern Ireland and United Kingdom counterparts over the next 3 years. We are providing €10 million for a cross-border peatland restoration programme led by the National Parks and Wildlife Service to conserve vital peatland ecosystems and reduce carbon emissions, working with partners in Northern Ireland and Scotland. And with an investment of €1 million, we're funding a new all-island invasive species and biosecurity partnership to protect the island of Ireland's unique ecological resources. The government is also making available over €7 million from the Fund for Tourism Agencies to progress a collaboration between the Wild Atlantic Way and the Causeway coastal route, to develop more dynamic linkages between these world-renowned tourism brands, helping to achieve longer visitor stays and greater economic benefits for the Northwest and Northern Coast regions.